Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Learn the easiest way to apply the moderate effect SmartArt style in Microsoft Word and make your diagrams look clean, balanced, and professional. This tutorial shows a simple step-by-step method to upgrade your document visuals without any designs experience. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment for my college. Now I want to change the style of the SmartArt. At first create or insert the SmartArt. Go to the insert menu and we can see here the SmartArt. You can choose any SmartArt here. Now we can see here many SmartArt. Now I am select the target list, then click OK. Then here the target list SmartArt. You can change the color. Obviously select the SmartArt, then go to the design menu, select the change color option. You can choose any color. Now I am select the color. Otherwise you can choose another color. Now you want to change the SmartArt effect to moderate effect. Select the SmartArt again and select the style drop down menu, and we can see here many style. You can find and select the moderate effect. Here the moderate effect. Now we can see we added the moderate effect very easily. You can add text here, like now I am write 1 2 3 4 5 etc. Now we can see we change the moderate style to SmartArt very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.